Welcome to Cooking with Factoid, episode 2. So today, guys, in episode 2, and the reason why I'm not doing like a competition is because, well, you see, our brother's not here. Well, one of them is, but he's not going to be in it. So today we are making a grilled cheese. Now, I don't really know how to work this stove since it's a gas stove. So we're going to be using a toaster oven. We'll see how it goes. Bread, cheese. You want to take your 2 slices of cheese, you want to put it on the bread. And then you want to take your grilled cheese and you want to put it in the toaster oven. Or the skillet pan, whatever. And you want to set it for 4. Yep. It's finished cooking, so let's see.
Okay.
So we're here. Taste test. Let's see. Looks pretty good, man.
I don't know nothing.
There you go. I put a lot of cheese on here, so it's really cheesy.
It's like Andy. Hold on! Like go.
I'll grab one more time. What score do you give it?
9.
Louder.
8.5.
Louder.
8.5!
Yeah, I'll give it a 9, I guess. No, I'll give it like a 7. I'm not really used to this game.
The cheese is just like a little weird. Should pick another type of cheese.
It's American cheese.
Ew.
Oh, stop. Stop.
Oh my god. My ass made me feel like I never would try again, but you right.